Hi, welcome Han. This class is about giving details on giving details on Olympic. We know Olympic is an international sports. Many countries participate and plays, right? But we have some confusions on some words associated with the sport Olympic. Like as I written here, Summer Olympic, what is Winter Olympic, and Olympic and Paralympic. Okay. This class, don't worry, this class is about giving clarity over those things. I will start this video by giving some brief introduction about some brief history, not an introduction, but brief history about Olympic, how it was started. See, very little information. Then we directly after this we can we will directly go to the main topic discussion. Okay. See, Olympic is a regional sports. As we played our kabaddi and kho, this Olympic also a regional sport which was played in Olympia. Olympia. This is the main reason we named this as an Olympic. Okay, what we currently play at the international level. Okay, Olympia. It is in Greece. It is in Greece. See, this is the regional sports. Olympia at a village, Olympia and Greece. Okay. When 776 BC means this regional sport was actually started around 2800 years back. Means it's almost near to our Indus Valley civilization. Okay. It is also even dated back to that time. Okay. Not necessary to know that one. Just understand this is a regional sport and they started in 776 BC. Okay. The first it was by the time with the passage of time it gained the fame in the world. Means the many neighboring countries start to participate in this regional sports. With this, it has emerged this regional sport emerged as an international level sport. When it was recognized as an international sport, it is in the year 1896. 1896 was the year that year the Olympic, this regional sport, became an international sport. Okay. Many countries participated in this sports. See, one more clarity I would like to give here. See, Olympic sport is not a single sport. Olympic is a name under which many sports we play, right? Shuttle, badminton, hockey, and so many other sports we play, right? Okay. In the year 1896, it became an international level sport. This is all about the brief introduction. Okay. Brief history about the Olympics. Now let's come to the second point. This is over. Now come to the second point. Okay. What is Olympic and Paralympic? Just understand here. In the year 1960, this Olympic, right? 1896, it became an international level Olympic. Means simply Olympic, right? Olympic. This Olympic in the year of 1960 was divided into Olympic and Paralympic. Why? On what basis? On basis of participant. You must be very clear in this. The base for this participants. See, in the section of Olympic, very common people, normal people like me plays. But in the Paralympic, the people who are physically disabled, physically like physically handicapped people plays in this section of Olympic. That is called Paralympic particularly. Why we did this? Because it is to recognize their ability also. Why can't we provide such opportunities to those people who by birth are defect, are having the defect, right? It is to recognize their ability. We did this division, that is Olympic and Paralympic. In Paralympics, see, based on the participant, here the participants are physically disabled, physically handicapped, right? Here the participants are normal people, physically fit. Yes, they don't have any handicap, right? This is about, I think it is very clear now what is Olympic and Paralympic. Okay. The next one is summer. This is second part is over then. Now third part of this video, that is difference between summer Olympic and winter Olympic. Okay. Is also very simple thing. See, summer Olympic means summer Olympic and winter Olympic. Okay. See, what's the base for this? Where we play. The base for the base for Olympic and Paralympic is participant. As like, what's the base for this division? The base is where we play, where the people, where the sports person play. Means, see, summer Olympics means here the sports are played on land. I will give clarity over this. Don't worry. Here the sports are played on ice and snow. For example, skating, we know, ice hockey. I think it is very clear. I think it is understandable. Winter Olympics means here the sports are played on ice and snow. Here in the Summer Olympics, here the sports are played on land. For example, hockey, shuttle badminton, right? Table tennis. And there are also some water sports are there. For example, surfing, swimming, we included it. Means where are exactly whatever where water lies on, it is on land only. Means the Summer Olympic means here the sports are played on land. Winter Olympic, here the sports are played on ice and snow. That's why the division is made like this. Okay. I think it is clear. Then third part is over, and the last part is very important. It is just to clarify some confusions we everyone have. Okay. Okay, let's come to the fourth part of this video, the final part. I will explain this part with an example, recent example. Okay. See, the France, right? This year, in the year, this is 2025. The last year, it has organized the 2024 Summer Olympic. Summer Olympic. Why Summer Olympic? I think you know already. What is Summer Olympic? The sports are played on the land. And the next, this is in the year 2024, France, in the city of Paris. It is not important now. France conducted or organized Summer Olympics. When will be the next Olympic then? After 4 years. After, this is important. After 4 years, it will be played in USA. USA means America. In America, that is in the city of Los Angeles. It is not important. What is more important here? The gap between two successive Olympic is 4 years. Okay, this is in the year 2024. The next Summer Olympic will be in the year 2028. Okay. Then one more important. China. In the city called Beijing, right? Its capital city. China organized Winter Olympic in the year 2022. See, I think it is known to you that is what is Winter Olympic. Here the sports are played on ice and snow. Okay. Then what is the gap then? When will be the next Winter Olympic? After 4 years. Again, because the gap between any two successive Olympic sports is 4 years. This must be very clear. The gap between two Olympic is 4 years. Then when will be the next Winter Olympics in the year? Next year, that is 2026. 2022, 4 years. 2026 in Italy. In Italy. See, what I am trying to convey here, the gap between successive two successive Olympic sport is 4 years. Okay. But we often get confused with the 2 year. Why? You will get to know why we often this why we say the gap between two Olympic is 2 years. Okay. But it is wrong. Okay. We should understand that. Say I will write the timeline. See, we know China 2022 conducted Winter Olympic, right? The next Winter Olympic will be 2026. Okay, in Italy, Winter Olympic, Winter Olympic. In the year 2024, last year, France conducted Summer Olympic. This is Summer Olympic. Summer Olympic. When will be the next? Then 2024, 4 years after 2028. It is in USA. It is Summer Olympic. It is in USA. Okay. Just see now. In the year 2022 Winter Olympic, in the year after 2 years, see just after 2 years, what is which Olympic is this? Summer Olympic, not Winter Olympic. This is 2 year. Okay, I agree with this. After the gap between two Olympics is 2 year, but the difference lies where difference lies this year, Winter Olympic, Summer Olympic. See, the gap between two Olympic is Winter Olympic to Winter Olympic. This is the thing we should consider. Is 2026, that is 4 year gap. The gap between Summer Olympic to Summer Olympic is 4 year, not 2 year. Okay, I think it is clear now. Okay, this is all about the discussion of my content in this video. I hope the things are clear now.